Students in Kolkata have volunteered to join the war on coronavirus. They are helping labs and hospitals collect samples from suspected COVID patients for testing. Indrajit Kundu has today's Good News Today story.
At a time when medical practitioners are facing stigma, 4 young microbiology students in Kolkata have come forward to work at a private COVID hospital in Kolkata. All in their early 20s, the students have been collecting swab samples of suspected COVID-19 patients at Kolkata's Peerless Hospital every day.
Seeing the increasing number of deaths and the increasing number of people being infected by this virus, it struck me very deeply. So I wanted to come forward and do my very least for my society. Coming to this hospital, something that I have seen and something that has extremely has highly inspired me is the amount of dedication all the healthcare workers put through.
They began volunteering after being trained to collect the mouth and nasal swabs. They have even learned the use of viral transport medium, or VTM.
During the lockdown, when it started from March, I was searching for an opportunity to serve, to help the doctors and the hospital healthcare system, because in the news, a lot of news was there that many healthcare personnel are getting affected, and the social stigma is also there. I thought that I can do the job if I get this opportunity.
The youngsters aim to clear the stigma from people's mind about the disease by joining the war on coronavirus.
I was searching for an opportunity to help the doctors to serve the nation. So when I got this opportunity, I was very excited. I traveled from Panagarh to Kolkata to do these work.
The courage and selfless effort of these students are being appreciated by the medics.
This is really amazing because we see that many of the healthcare workers also don't want to come. Sometimes we see that the doctors, the senior doctors, are also not coming. So in that sense, I would say it is really heartening to see these kids who are not having their regular classes come and be in the front line. They are helping us collecting the swab.
They have set out on a mission to shed light on the stigma associated with COVID, and all that they want is to bring in a more scientific approach and temper amongst people in their community. They say it's logical to fear the virus, but please do not fear those suffering due to it. Good camera person Tapan, Indrajit for India Today in Kolkata.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.